I'm such a cute baby.
Just be happy with who you are.
Puff, it's bath time, honey.
Okay, Mom, I'll be right there. I'm on the internet.
Shannon Wooters commented, I know this can be personal to some, but could you give us a tour of your home or even just your craft art space? Hi, Shannon. I took some clips off of another video, which is really buried deep in my 400 videos. It was of my craft room. I've made a few changes since I did this one. I'm still adding things and before I do another tour, but it is on the list of things that I wanted to do. So here is what the space that I'm working currently in looks like 5 minutes after I videotape this. Here you have a leg, a limb on a tree, anything that is a cylinder. Now I have my light coming from overhead. You can clearly see the light is coming and shining this way. No matter what the direction I go in, this light line is going to stay the same. You see it? It's going this way and then it turns this way. Why is it doing that? Because the object is curving this way. So if I'm doing a leg or a dress or anything that's long, I know the shape of my light line is going to be long. Imagine the candy cane or the pencil. You could see the light line on the pencil go straight. Now, if you took this light line and turned it and created the light line to go this way, while your object is turning this way, it's going to look funky. It's not going to look natural, and your artwork is not going to be professional. It's not even going to be in an artistic realm of correctness. Now, I'm not talking about creativity, because you can draw a purple cat. You can draw a person with two heads. That's artistic liberty. You could take any artistic liberty that you want. But the fact of the matter is, in nature, in physics, in life, your light line is still going to go in the same way. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, hit that like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell for all notifications. For another video just like this one, I recommend this. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Keep on coloring.